Well, it must be 2 years since I had the back wheel out, and that was a job, to drift the spindle out. Don't like doing that, but you can see, I think that white stuff is where the rear brake carrier has corroded against the shaft. I do grease it, but obviously not enough, and it's apart because one or some of the bearings have gone. It was on the brake side. Oh yeah, that's definitely gone. Oh. So that was the sprocket side we just saw, and this is the brake side. Oh my word, that has definitely gone. And it does feel horrible. So I've got new seals and new bearings coming from Wimoto. Just got the job now before they turn up of cleaning everything, getting it ready for reassembly. So, the bearing in the sprocket carrier feels absolutely fine to me. I did buy one, but rather than bruise this, replacing it, I'm going to leave it. I have put a new seal in though, and I've cleaned up the seal carrier. They appear to be zinc plated, but not bright zinc, just dull. Anyway, that's all cleaned up, ready for going. The spacer tube is rather rusty, so we're obviously getting liquid water past the seals. Drifted out both bearings. The one on the sprocket side doesn't feel too bad, but obviously looks horrible. Lots of rusty runs. The run on the brake side, however, I'm going to have to show you it another time, but it wobbles. It actually feels graunchy. And again, there's just detritus all over it, which has been washed out by the rust. I don't know. So a bit of cleaning up before I insert the new bearings. So, bearing taken apart. And I don't think I've seen such a crusty one. It's just wobbly. I know that's the cage, but I don't remember cages being that wobbly. And look at the movement on it. I've never had one like that before, I don't think. But no, certainly not on one of my Hondas. But there we go. Horrible. So, water got past the seal, and then water's got past the dust seal, and it's obviously just been sitting in there. 22,000 miles on the bike-ish, and it is used all year round. And I have had a couple of Christmases where I haven't kept on top of the cleaning as much as I should have done. But that's fairly bad. I think it might be new disc time as well. It says minimum thickness 4mm. Calipers are measuring 4.3. Not a lot, but there is quite a lip. So I think that might be an idea. So, rebuilt, lots of grease. No play. 98 Newton meter torque for the spindle. Rebuilt, lots of grease. No play. So that's taken me about 2 hours, including this cleaning up. Job done. I can keep using it, get it MOT'd in the next couple of weeks.